Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number M4. Material needed to make the paper flower are glue gun, glue stick, pencil, butter knife, and scissor. Once you trace and cut out your petal, we need to shape the petals. Start with the large one and just curve it in. Once you shape your petal, we need to glue the petal together. Start with the large petal and move on to the next side. Put a little bit of glue and place it in the center of the petals. Just make sure the second petal go in between the first petal. Next, what we need to do is to glue the flower onto the leaf and make sure the leaf is pointing between the two petals. And now you have a beautiful flower.